Bruh, you tried them already?
Yeah.
They good?
You guys got a lot of chicken sandwiches in there?
We get the Popeyes chicken sandwich!
Yeah!
Man, yo, already know what it is. It is your boy StayGreatShawn. I'm back with another banger, bitch. And you already know, right now, today, I already know by the title that y'all already know what the fuck is going on. I'm finna try me a little chicken sandwich, my G, if we can get one, that is. So we gonna, well, if you're seeing this video, we got a chicken sandwich. If you're not seeing this video, we didn't get a chicken sandwich. So, I mean, I guess it kind of goes both ways. I already made a freaking intro. I'm just saying that I'm back. Alright, bro. We are back, man. You already know. I had to go ahead and pick the boys up, you know. Yo, get off your fucking phone.
Get off your phone. This is an intro.
This is content.
Anyways, we are about to go ahead and head out.
Yeah, she's done with me.
Oh, I knew it.
We're about to go ahead and head out to freaking Popeyes, my G.
Waiting this long ass fucking line.
Oh, my
Oh,
roommates?
G.
You need like a sticky thing to put here or something.
I know, right?
Bro, I told my roommates we're gonna try the Popeyes sandwich.
Got the cam.
And then they were like, hey, be careful, bro. You know, people getting stabbed out here.
I told you.
I was like, yeah, I know. My friend literally just said that, so we're chilling in the drive-thru.
Oh, bro, he got it already. Ask him if it's good.
Did he really?
Oh shit, yeah.
Oh, bro, we should get our
When
commentary.
we get a little bit
Let's chill
closer.
them. Let's grab them chicken sandwiches.
My boy right there got a chicken sandwich and
Oh
he's
shit,
walking
what if one of
good.
us... Yo, what if I go up and like take somebody's bag and run off?
You're gonna get shot.
Right, somebody just got stabbed, bro.
I know, but if I got a head start...
Bullets don't stop.
They don't stop for anyone. It's fine, that's fine.
You get shot right in the ass cheek.
If they shoot me, they're gonna lose that chicken sandwich.
Yeah, we have a quitter. Hell yeah.
Ah, damn. What a...
One down.
Skips in line.
Hey, here's this guy.
Hey, get the commentary.
Hey, bro, how long did it take, bro?
Yo. Did you get a chicken sandwich? He said, yeah, but he moving.
What a lame.
What a lame-o.
Got the next one.
I wanted to ask him how long it took.
I don't
think it's gonna take that long. Oh, I'm about to get one. Yes, sir. I'm actually turned. Did you just?
How much is it, bro?
Like
It shouldn't be that.
$5 bucks. No, I'm just kidding.
We're gonna get up there and it's gonna be like, all right, that'll be $30.
Oh, for all of them.
I'm going back to Chick-fil-A.
Wait, that's a good question though. Like, how are we gonna buy this?
What do you mean?
I thought about that, but I didn't want to.
Did y'all not bring money?
But we in one car.
Just be like, 5 separate orders.
That
Like I have 5 separate orders.
All right, we'll Venmo you, Sean.
I've never...
I guess.
And Hayden will give you cash.
Yeah.
Wait, what did you say?
Sean, I'm gonna get 2 because I'm gonna give
This
Carl-
motherfucker ain't giving any.
You have to.
Do I have to get one?
What do you mean you're not getting one?
Oh my, I guess so.
I said you're getting a
Oh my
sandwich.
gosh. Unless you want to pay for
Just
it.
sit back here. All right.
Dude.
Yeah.
The whole video is for us to be testing out the sandwich and
It's a
everything.
mukbang. Whatever that
Oh,
is
it's a
called.
mukbang.
I make mac and cheese and
Hey, ask him. Hey, bro, you getting a sandwich? Ask him.
Ask him.
I'm asking. Hey, bro, you finna get a chicken sandwich, bro? How you just finna get chicken sandwich, bro? Bro, you tried them already?
Yeah.
They good?
Oh, they're good.
Bet. Just casually roll the window back up.
Of course.
Oh. Who asking? You asking Joseph? You asking? Joseph asked! Oh my god. Scary fucking bitches.
Hey, y'all getting a chicken sandwich? Y'all tried it yet?
Joseph, you need to say something. They like you.
Joseph, that's your people. You know
You're so gay.
You see, she answered me like that because she knew I didn't think she was cute.
Of course.
Which is better, KFC or Popeyes?
KFC.
I think the chicken at Popeyes tastes a little better.
The skin at KFC is better, and the gravy.
I don't know.
Oh, the gravy is good.
And the
Hummus is pretty
freaking
good.
biscuits, bro. You
Biscuits,
can't forget
oh,
about the fucking biscuits.
They both dry as fuck.
What is a chicken place without a biscuit?
Come on, hey, get out and go by the trash can and pretend you're a crackhead. Hey, bro, you here for the sandwich? Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I think they threw out some extra ones.
Hey, bro, do a backflip and I'll give you a chicken sandwich. All right, you just eat shit.
I do
actually
it.
don't have a chicken sandwich. Good looks, bro. Good effort.
I do it.
For a chicken sandwich?
Yeah.
You're not even about to buy a chicken sandwich.
I guess I have to now.
Yes, you do.
Yes, you do.
You do.
That's the old
But
lady.
ahead of you.
The old lady in front of us?
Yeah, it's okay.
I was gonna do it!
Do it.
Oh,
She looks like angry. Bro.
Is it a white lady?
it's like a black lady. This is a black lady.
Do it.
Damn.
I can see her face through the side.
Yeah,
She looks angry. She's looking at us, bro.
Dude, she's
Bro, I just made eye contact with you.
Now's the perfect time to do it.
She's Wayne, bro.
I'm be like, ma'am,
Ma'am,
are you having a chicken sandwich? Are you getting a chicken sandwich?
Can you order me one so I can get it faster?
Hey, go ahead.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, you guys got a lot of chicken sandwiches in there?
Yes, sir. My boy say,
Man,
man.
y'all pull up.
Update. We moved like 5 feet.
Yes,
sir.
It has been a half hour and we moved.
Apparently, if we walked in, we would have been out because those chicks we asked earlier are already out with their
Oh
fucking
yeah, we probably
chicken
should have went
sandwiches.
in now. We probably should have went in.
Better safe than dead.
True.
What?
True.
I don't know how accurate that statement is.
I don't want to get stuck.
How it's better to be safe than dead?
No,
I think that's pretty
I
accurate.
don't
Pretty
think we'd be
accurate.
dead if we walked into
They're
Popeyes.
moving.
It could have happened.
Oh, they're ordering right here.
Boy, this bitch needs to hurry up.
She probably like, let me get like 50 chicken sandwiches,
Let me stab this motherfucker.
Hey, you see how big this car is? I want this bitch full of chicken sandwiches.
Is it because she's a black lady?
I didn't know she was a black lady.
Nah.
It's
We talked about this.
It's actually because she has a handicap
talked
logo
about
on
this.
the license
Oh,
plate.
actually, is that true?
Yeah,
Is she just
actually,
gonna pop her
whatever.
trunk and they're just gonna start throwing chicken sandwiches in there?
Well, she can't walk.
You don't know that. What?
She's driving.
Handicap isn't just no leg.
Oh,
You can be no armed, blind,
Sure.
I saw a blind guy outside the road today.
On crack? I mean,
right?
so what, we get 5 chicken
Popeyes
sandwiches?
chicken sandwich.
6.
Popeyes chicken.
If that sign
Oh my
says
god.
there's no
Oh my
chicken
god. Oh my god. Oh
sandwiches.
my god. Oh my god.
Oh.
What?
There's a sign right there. We thought it said no chicken sandwiches.
Oh, we did.
Look, we got the sign right here. You know, Sean.
sir. Oh, yeah, let's see it.
Tell them what's up. Tell them what's up.
Yo, you already see what's on the bottom right? The classic chicken sandwich, my G. Yes, sir.
Popeyes chicken sandwich. Popeyes
They gonna be like, what the
chicken
fuck is going on out there?
Popeyes chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm good, ain't yourself?
All right, I'm doing good. Can I get 7 chicken? The chicken sandwiches, two regulars, and the rest will be spicy.
You said 7?
Yeah, 2 regulars and 5 spicy.
Okay, 3003.
All right, thank you.
Hey.
Got a Popeyes chicken
Sandwich,
Popeyes chicken sandwich.
Hey, start chanting when you hand it over.
Oh yeah, start cheering when she hit it over, man. That was good. I was like, ham and chicken sandwich first, now. Alright, I feel you.
Well, we can't pass the cash till we see the chicken sandwiches.
True. Just throw some.
We're going back home.
Alright.
Oh yeah! Oh, bye, chicken sandwich. Hey!
Chicken sandwich.
We have secured the bag.
And we get the Popeye chicken sandwich.
Yeah! Alright, don't kill us. We gonna die. Alright. Somebody take this shit from us so we don't fucking kill us.
No problem. That is no problem.
Oh damn, my bad.
What's
Bro.
his first left?
Oh yes, you're right.
Popeyes chicken
I can't believe we freaking got it, bro.
That was so fast for it.
I mean, it wasn't that fast.
We're gonna.
Well, it was fast once we got ordered.
Yeah, it was fast for it to come out. They probably been sitting there. I'm about to say probably been sitting there. All right, yo, we gonna hit you back when we get to the cribbies, and we'll tell you how it tastes. One more time for the camp. Popeyes chicken sandwich. Hey!
Popeyes chicken sandwich.
Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. Time to test out the chicken sandwich, my G's. Alright, do this shit.
It's
What are you
soft.
thinking?
It's tender.
Okay. Tastes like chicken.
Okay. Hate him.
I mean, it's slight as fuck.
Look at his face.
Y'all ain't gonna
Look at his face.
Y'all ain't gonna like what I gotta say about it.
It's slight as fuck.
I think it's
But
overrated.
I'm gonna be real. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it's just overrated as fuck. Hold on. It tastes like a fish fillet sandwich, bro. You know, like McDonald's, bitch.
I mean, it ain't bad, but you
It's alright.
I don't know. I think I stick with Chick-fil-A.
Oh no, I do. Wait. I do think it's better though.
No, it's better than Chick-fil-A.
It's definitely better.
But it ain't worth getting stabbed over.
Nah, it's a, hold on. Let me get one more nibble in
You only
there.
take a little baby bite.
Let me get another nibble in there. Or whatever. Hold this for me or appreciate that. Hold the size. Get another nibble in there.
It died.
It's a good sandwich, yeah.
No, it's just a good sandwich. And for $4, you can't beat it.
Popeyes is good.
So it's a good sandwich, but it's just overrated.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's good.
Yeah, I mean, shit.
Oh, that shit pretty. Hold on.
I like Popeyes chicken.
Yeah.
I will say this is probably the best sandwich you can get for $4.
Nah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is good as well for $4. I ain't gonna lie. I think it's better. Alright, I think that shit better than Chick-fil-A. I ain't even
I don't know, I like Chick-fil-A more.
No.
I fuck with the sauce. I like the
The
sauce.
sauce is good. What you thinking, bro?
Well, a lot of mixed reviews in that crowd.
Pretty good. What you think is better, Chick-fil-A or?
Chick-fil-A.
You still think Chick-fil-A? What do you think?
I had it first go around. I'm not gonna lie, it's because I like the spicy chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
And I put Polynesian on the spicy chicken sandwich.
Awesome. You
On chicken
That boy
so
said.
it's like,
Yeah. You got both.
so it's like, cause I like Popeye's chicken, but the chicken sandwich is like overrated.
That shit overrated. I ain't gonna lie.
Well,
It's straight though. It's
For
straight
$4,
though.
this is a damn
It's
good sandwich.
it's good as fuck.
Yeah,
It's good for $4, bro. I ain't
The
gonna hold
Chick-fil-A
you.
sandwich is like double the cost.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
I mean, I can get 2 of these.
Yeah.
Oh, you right.
I mean, is Chick-fil-A sandwich worth 2 of these?
That's good shit. That's good shit.
Got the point.
That boy smoking a rock, boy. He done thought of some crazy shit. Alright, man. I finally get an outro, bro. I'm finally getting an outro this time, bro. Alright, everybody about to leave. Nah, no outro like that. No outro like that. So, like, I'm just gonna break it down.
Can you get my badass car in here?
We need a thumbnail, too.
All right.
We need a thumbnail. Hold on. Hold my keys real quick. Everybody get it back. Alright, that's good. That's good. What is your face? What was your face? Man, alright, yo. Everybody freaking leaving. We tried chicken sandwich. It was pretty much mixed views on it.
It was good. No, it was good.
It was good though.
You can't beat it for the price.
It was good.
Oh yeah, it was definitely good.
Overall, it was good.
So do y'all want to shout your socials out? Nobody want to shout their socials out?
_Feral.
I'll just tag it. No socials.
I don't even remember mine like this. Donna _25.
Alright, bet. Is Delon in my car? This man is in my car. This man think he just gonna take off with my car like this. That boy said, ooh, free car. Free car. Alright, bro. Alright, man, we're freaking done with the video. Y'all can go follow all my socials at StayGreatShawn on Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat. Just hit me up. They all StayGreatShawn. It's all the same. And yeah, I think we're done with the video here. And y'all already know what it is. It's your boy StayGreatShawn, and y'all stay great. Peace out, man.